So you want to skip trace an LLC through batch skip tracing. Or you're just trying to figure out the owner of an LLC. Maybe it's for personal reasons, or maybe it's the owner of a property, or maybe a cash buyer. Whatever the reason is, you've come to the right place. I'll show you how to skip trace an LLC in under 3 minutes. But first, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's hop into it. So we see Courage Properties here. This is the owner of the property, and it's an LLC. Now, if you want, you'll go ahead and skip trace the property, the LLC owner name, by Googling. So we got Ohio Secretary of Business search there. You could have did any other state, Arizona, Florida, New Mexico, Texas, California, wherever. Google that business search, and then we'll go here. So type it in, and as you see, what pops up, and then you'll go show details. And this is if you want to go the traditional route of skip tracing the owner of the LLC. So you'll go ahead right here. However, you can skip trace if you go to batch skip tracing. And if you don't know what this site is, make sure you hit that link right up here. All right. Single skip trace. And you type in the property name or property address. So we got 7851 Bankwood. Boom. Skip tracing now. Again, I got the whole walkthrough for you guys where I show you how to do all of this. And you go ahead and get that TTP. I got the whole walkthrough for you if you're interested in learning more about batch skip tracing. But you hit that, and it happens almost instantaneously. The leads pop up. So let's refresh the page real quick. There it is. All right. And Courage Properties, LLC, as you can see. And these are the numbers of the LLC. And there you have it, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. That's how you skip trace an LLC in under 1 minute. Thanks for watching. And as always, get to stepping.